Passing there westbound is 800 306 on some Great Western Railway service. I'm not quite sure the exact details of that. And heading London bound, what was another Great Western Railway service, a double pairing of Class 800. So hello viewers, and welcome to the latest video from B-Cycle Videos. And today I am at Tilehurst, which is on the Great Western Main Line. So today here at Tilehurst we'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and cross country. So that'll be interesting. But most of the services will be passing, except the services between London Paddington and Didcot Parkway. The first service is the 1100 service to Didcot Parkway, formed of a double pairing of Class 387s, that's 387153 and 387152. Joining me here at Tilehurst today is TrainSpot East, so please do check out his channel. He makes some excellent content. Yeah, of course, exactly. So, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Tilehurst.
Possible light engine heading from Prince's Sidings to East Yard.
Right, passing through now is a freight service heading for Eastleigh Yard. 66539. That's a freight movement to Eastleigh. Right, passing through now is the Great Western Railway service to Swansea from London Paddington. Looks like a HST. That's 43097 on the front and 43122 at the rear. A HST service to Swansea. Right, about to pass through now is a cross-country service from Southampton Airport Parkway to Manchester Piccadilly. And also passing through is a service from Oxford to London Paddington. So I'll keep filming. Not quite sure of the number for that one, but it's definitely an 800-3, and it might be 220012, but I'm not quite sure for a cross-country pass. Right, coming in now is the 1121 service to London Paddington, a service from Didcot Parkway. 387144 is the unit at the front. The unit on the rear is 387155. Right, departing out now is 387144 and 387155 on the 1121 service to London Paddington from Didcot Parkway. Calling next at Reading, and then followed by stations to Slough and Reading. Right, next to come in here at Tilehurst is the 1126 service heading for Didcot Parkway. Calling next, after its departure here at Pangbourne, going in Streatley, Chelsea and Didcot Parkway. Once again, it's a double pairing of Class 387s. at the front is 387136. Passing through on platform 1 is a Great Western Railway service to Oxford. That's 800-301 on the pass to Oxford. The rear here is 387133. Right, passing now are the 387s, 387-136 and 387-133. They're heading to Didcot Parkway. Right, about to pass through is an IET heading for Bristol Temple Meads, passing on platform 1. (800-017) and 034, did you say? 800-034 is the 800 on the rear.
Twice the amount of the 17, so double 17.
Right, passing through there is a class 221 supervisor, and that's on a pass, a cross-country pass to Southampton Airport Parkway, originating from Manchester Piccadilly. Like only going as far as Southampton Airport Parkway, presumably because there's engineering works around Southampton Central. If it was the other side of Southampton Central, then there'd be going direct to Central. Also coming in, we've now got a rail tour. That's a rail tour from London Victoria to Bath Star. That'll be passing platform 1. (67-024) and 66-150. The locomotives are not really locomotives or whatever, but they're the units at either end on that service. Right, passing through now is a service on Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. With these new Class 800 services, they've extended the overhead wiring, as we can see there. They've extended it all the way to Bristol Parkway, at least on the service for services to Swansea anyway. They've extended the overhead wiring all the way to Bristol Parkway, and presumably at least some of way to Bristol Temple Meads as well via Bath, and they definitely would run with the overhead wiring from Swindon, because, as I say, all the way to Bristol Parkway is fully electrified now with the overhead wiring, but beyond that into Wales, not just yet. So they're running with the charge it's already has. At least into Wales anyway, before reconnecting at Bristol Parkway. Right, passing through there is a cross-country service from Reading to Newcastle. That was a unit that stormed through just as we arrived in. I think that may have been 2:20.001. So there we go. Also passing through is the cross-country service from Great Malvern to London Paddington, which is a 5-carriage Class 800. Yes, slight correction, the cross-country service was 2:20.011, but coming in now is the 11:51 Great Western Railway service heading for London Paddington, a service from Didcot Parkway, which should be the 387s we caught earlier coming in. It's 387152 and on the rear 387153. So they're coming back around heading for London Paddington.
Now we just gotta remember what's the next one after that. I'll probably give you guys a bit of a guess game, maybe. Why not? What do you think the next one will be though? What's the next one?
Right, departing out now is the 11:51 to London Paddington. 387152 and 387153. Next stop for that is Reading in approximately 5 minutes time. I think Twyford's the next stop after Reading, and I think and then calling at every station but Acton Main Line on the way to London Paddington. And unfortunately, I just missed. It was a HST service from Swansea that had 43185, so I'm a bit disappointed to miss that. It came in quite suddenly for us. Coming in now is the 11:55 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway. 387142. That's the unit here at the front. And the unit at the rear is 387149. And only the front 7 carriages are in use because I would carriage 8 up the rear, you can see there, just a bit off the end of station where the engineering works are happening. Right, departing out now, the Class 387s, the unit numbers 142 and 149, heading to Didcot Parkway. Just to say, I only filmed it once at Didcot Parkway before. That was in December 2017, and these Class 387 units started on New Year's Day 2018. So, virtually only a couple of weeks after I'd actually filmed at Didcot Parkway. So when I was at Didcot, these services were extended all the way to Oxford and used for Class 156, no, not 156, 165 and 166 turbo units rather than these Class 387 units. So that's interesting for me to note. Right, passing through there is a cross-country service heading to Reading, a service originating from Newcastle. Reading only like a couple minutes down the line. Reading, the next stop where the service will terminate. Right, passing through now is a slightly delayed pass from London Paddington, heading for Bristol Temple Meads. $800 $310. Right, passing through now is a service to Swansea, a service originating from London Paddington. $800 $302.
Right, I'm going to look at the information where.
So just an update, we were meant to see the 11:56 pass from London Paddington to Great Malvern, but unfortunately that's been delayed quite a bit due to a train fault. It's currently sat at Reading Station and is quite a bit late. So in the meantime, TrainSpot East and I are both going to finish up here. So thank you guys for watching my video from Tilehurst. If you have liked what you've seen here at Tilehurst, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below because I'll get back to them as and when I can. Any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. But first we've got a cross-country pass. That's a service to Manchester Piccadilly from Southampton Airport Parkway. That's coming in on the slow lines. That's a cross-country pass to Manchester Piccadilly from Southampton Airport Parkway. Like Tilehurst has been a good station to film at today. We got to see lots of great passes coming to and from. That's a passing service from Oxford to London Paddington. Like as I was saying, Tilehurst has been a good station to film at. Lots of great passes here, and like couple of delays, especially with this Great Malvern service. But in the meantime, like hour and a half or so, which is definitely a good station, like a good amount of time to film here, especially with all the passes. So that's great. Joining me here is TrainSpot East, so please do check out his channel, and please do check out his content. Our next station will be Pangbourne, so please do check out our videos from Pangbourne once they are up. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching my video from Tilehurst. See you all in Pangbourne. Cheerio.